Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So my family bought me this for Father's Day. It's a Igloo TRAILMATE 70 quart cooler, and it's a pretty amazing cooler. I love it. We go to the beach often, so this thing is pretty amazing. It has all the bells and whistles. The only issue I had was this side didn't have a handle. So this is the TRAILMATE Journey 70, and there's no handle over here, so it's difficult to carry it, like get it off my truck and basically lifted it in. I try to hold this, but it's pretty tricky. There's no real handle. I researched online and there's a TRAILMATE Marine version of this, and it comes with this handle. So I was able to purchase this handle, and it's made specifically for this cooler. Make sure you get this version of it. This is the 90 to 100 quart cooler handle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark the 4 holes, and then we're gonna pre-drill holes right there. Not very far, just a little bit. Get just the tip. And then we'll put our screws in. This also comes with stainless steel screws as well from the factory. And we're gonna mount it right there. Then when we lift it, we'll be able to lift this cooler into our truck easily with this handle and the handle up front. But I figured I'm just gonna upgrade it so it'll be almost identical to the Marine, except we won't have the wheels, the non-marking clear wheels that the Marine version has. But we're not taking it on a boat, so it doesn't really matter. All right, well, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what tools I need to use, and we'll get ready to install this. So we have this. This. It comes with 4 Phillips screws. This is the handle. I'm using a Sharpie. I have drill bits in here. So we're gonna just use the really small, so 1/16 drill bit. And it's gonna just help us do a pilot hole basically. We have 4 screws, and it came with that kit, that handle kit, and we're gonna use our DeWalt drill. I had to grab a different battery. So we're gonna switch this out to a little drill bit. Let's see, maybe the 1/8. This might be a better drill bit, but no, I want it to be pretty tight, so it makes a pretty good seal. Okay, so we want this as perfect as we can make it, right? So that would be completely up. There. And then you're gonna line this up with the middle of the cooler. So just dab. All right, so those are the 4 screws. Now when we remove this, we see the 4 little dots. We'll measure twice and drill once. All right, so that one looks kind of low right there. So I'm gonna change this. All right, so the bigger dot. Just little tiny holes, right? We don't want to go in very far. tiny screws. Now we're gonna put on Phillips. Yeah, and I'm gonna drill these in. Yeah. Okay. So it's going in pretty easy. Let's just go ahead and mount this. That. We have our pilot holes already. So I'm putting them in loose right now. So do you see how it's just sitting in there? We don't want to tighten anything yet until we know for sure everything has lined up perfect. Perfect. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it, but I'm gonna tighten it by hand. I don't want to use the drill. We don't want to strip it. So this way, I can feel how tight the Phillips screws are. All right, we're good. That's it. All right, done. There's our cooler with a handle now. Perfect. All right, well, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Now we have our upgraded cooler.